What's up, guys? We back here December 26th, Boxing Day. We got a group at Dad's camp. We headed out. Here we come, the 450 Foreman. We got a, I'm not sure, old Can-Am 650. We got a 350 Honda. We got a new Polaris XP 1000. Hell yeah, buddy. Here's my cousin Darren on the CF Moto C-Force Overland 1000. And we got Timmy in the Can-Am Maverick X3. Let's do it, baby. We need high gear, Tim, if we're gonna catch them, huh?
Yeah.
Right through here, man. We see him up there. There we go. We caught up. Same trail as the Christmas Day video, so we'll cut away for now. If you ain't seen the Christmas video yet, go ahead and watch that. Christmas tree hunting with my dad. Different trail now. This one's tight. Ain't been through here in a couple of years. So we in Sandy Point, Shelburne, and yeah, we're headed back towards town right now. We're gonna try to make it to the trails in town, I think is the plan. She is tight. I can't even put the camera out the window because I'll rip my arm off. Oh yeah, we're out by the bunkers now. They're probably stopped right up here, imagine.
Need a push?
Yeah, so we've been here a couple times before. We'll just do a quick little look. I know I don't want to keep boring you guys with the same old shit, right? Yeah, some kind of military bunker. I still don't know what exactly it was for, whether it's ammunition or what. Hole in the floor, watch your step. Yeah. So we got the Honda 450 up front and the 350 in the back. We got, looks like a brand new 2024, 2025 Razor XP 1000. We got Blair on the Can-Am. Oh yeah, buddy. The old Can-Am, I'm not sure what year she is, but she's still ripping. And we got Darren on the C-Force Overland 1000. And we got Timmy back here in the Can-Am Maverick X3 XMR. We got a little overflow here. The beavers dam it up with all this snow and ice. She's overflowing. Had this on one of my other videos. Boys doing a little trail maintenance. We got the right man on the saw. You got the reach, right?
There we go, old buddy.
Trees cut.
What the fuck?
Over there, skating pond. Timmy, did you bring your skates?
No, you?
No, I didn't bring my skates. Next time, we're bringing our skates next time. Some wiggling to get through there. Coming out here to the water towers on Lake Road here in a minute, Tim. You know where they're at, buddy?
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna go right under them. Should be out this way here soon. Make sure you always keep your hands in, remember, because these trails are tight. You're doing the right thing, holding on. Been with me before, yes. We won't be going too fast, but look, these trails are tight, so if your arms out there when I do that, break it right off. Make sure you keep your arms in, Timmy. Here comes the tower, buddy. Right under it, man. Oh yeah.
Get on it.
Hey, that thing's getting on to her. That wasn't good. Broke a little plastic. Seen that coming.
Yeah, I did that. somewhere. I think I see it. Going over some rocks. Damn. Oh. I said we're going over some rocks.
nothing to it. I flattened it out for you, right?
Right, buddy.
Flattened it out for you. That was pretty good, Tim. What do you think of that?
Good.
Good time, huh? Just a casual cruise. There ain't no big mud holes on this trip, I don't think. Oh yeah, we got a water hole, baby.
It's deep water.
The old Can-Am putting in work, what? What do you think, Tim?
Good.
Loving it, huh? Stuff to the floorboards. No, just so it ain't coming in. Good little trail through here. It's not hard going, but it's not just easy going either, so it makes it a little bit fun. Not so boring. That thing is on there. Attaboy. I like it. I like it. Dad, bring the old Honda over. Here comes Charlie. Charlie made it, no problem.
They call me a god.